Hello everyone, this is Kogi and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today we will be discussing about pine wood timber shiplap paneling boards. Today I'm going to show you how to create the most beautiful natural farmhouse look wall facade by using pine wood timber shiplap paneling board. To do this mock-up unit, I'm using Home Store Wood Glue Ultimate Series. Tung oil or China wood oil is a drying oil obtained by pressing the seed from the nut of the tung tree, Vernicia fordii. Tung oil hardens upon exposure to air through polymerization, and the resulting coating is transparent and has a deep, almost wet look. Used mostly for finishing and protecting wood. After numerous coats, the finish can even look plastic-like. In terms of application, you may use cloth or brush with a coverage of 125 to 150 square feet per liter. Drying time 5 to 10 minutes with recoating after 24 hours.